Imagine a winter night in Ukraine, December 2025. The air is crisp, snow dusting the rooftops of Kyiv, families huddle by generators, whispering prayers against the cold. Then silence shatters, a low hum grows into a swarm. Russia's unleashed its deadliest aerial storm yet, 704 missiles and drones, blotting out the stars. This isn't war, it's apocalypse from above.
From hidden launchers in occupied Crimea to foggy bases in Bryansk, Putin's forces coordinate the blitz. Over 300 Iranian-made Shaheds lead the pack, cheap, relentless killers designed to choke Ukraine's lifeblood, its power grid. As the fourth wartime winter bites, this barrage aims to freeze resolve, plunge cities into blackouts, and break a nation's spirit. But Ukraine doesn't cower. Sirens wail, patriots roar to life. In 1 hour, the sky ignites. Intercepts light up the horizon like fireworks from hell. 585 threats downed, but the hits land hard. Explosions rock rail hubs, substations crumble. 4 civilians dead in Sumy, a child's home vaporized in Dnipropetrovsk. This is the largest assault of 2025, and it changes everything. Welcome to the breakdown. And today we dissect Russia's desperate gamble, the 704 barrage that failed to conquer the night. From tactics to tech, cost to consequences, stick around. If this chills you, smash like now. Glory to Ukraine. Let's dive in.
It kicks off at 18 o'clock local time. Russian intel pinpoints vulnerabilities. Ukraine's energy net, strained by prior strikes, teeters on collapse. From Rostov airfields, 51 Kh-101. Cruise missiles streak out, stealthy ghosts with 1,000 kilograms warheads, programmed for precision hits on transformers. By 19 o'clock, the drones join. 653 in total, a record swarm. Over 300 are Shahed 136s. Russia's Jazeera 2 rebrand. Flying low at 150 kilometers per hour, they hug the Dnieper River, evading radars, zeroing in on Kharkiv's grids. UN monitors clock a 200% spike in such attacks this month alone. 20 o'clock, ballistics enter the fray. 14 Iskander-M scream at Mach 7, slamming rail depots near Fastiv. Carriages crumple, tracks twist, a bid to halt ammo trains from Poland. Then 3 Kinzhal hypersonics. Russia's unstoppable aces target Kyiv's core. But 2 glitch mid-flight, old woes resurface. Peak chaos at 22 o'clock, the swarm peaks. Drones blanket Sumy Oblast, 100 plus in waves. Explosions ripple, a substation in Chernihiv erupts, blacking out 500,000 homes. A 12-year-old boy in Dnipropetrovsk loses his life when a stray hits his yard. Civilian toll, heartbreaking. Ukraine's response? Heroic. By midnight, Nassims and Gepards shred 200 drones over Odessa, Patriots in Kyiv, bagged 29 missiles. Total downed, 585, and 83% kill rate. Debris litters fields like fallen stars, but 119 slip through, scorching 20 sites. Dawn, December 6th, smoke rises over frozen rivers. Zelensky addresses the nation. They threw all, we caught most. We rebuild. Casualties, 4 dead, 20 wounded. Economic hit? Ukraine loses $200 million in repairs. Russia burns $60 million in failed fireworks. Recap graphic, 704 in, chaos out. But why now? Putin's winter psyop, starve the grid, sap morale before F-16s arrive. Pause for viewer poll overlay. Will Ukraine hold? Next, the tech that made it possible or impossible. Core of the storm, Shahed drones. $2 each, GPS-guided loiterers with 40 kilograms warheads. Russia mass produces 100 per week in Tatarstan factories. Swarm logic? Overload to 10 drones, force 1 SAM to choose, wasting ammo. Cruise missiles, 100 ones, $1 million apiece, fly 2,500 kilometers at 700 kilometers per hour. Stealth coatings, dodge radars, but Ukraine's upgraded Buchem 1S pierce them. Kinzhal's hypersonic hype, Mach 10, but guidance fails in snow interference. Ukraine's counter, layered defense. Outer ring, acoustic sensors detect drone hums 10 kilometers out. Middle, NASAM's Fire Iris-DS, downing 150 plus at $450,000, shot, bargain versus Russia's spend. Inner shield, Patriots and SAMPET TIA algorithms predict swarms, prioritizing threats. Result? 300 Shaheds vaporized mid-air. Cost edge, Ukraine's $500 FPV hunters. Snipe stragglers, total op, $10 million versus Russia's $60 million. Tactics twist decoys. Russia deploys 50 fake signals, drawing 20 SAMs dry. But Ukraine's jammers French-supplied spoof GPS, sending 40 drones crashing into trees. Genius asymmetry. Weather factor, fog and Donbass blinded optics, letting 20% through. But Ukraine's thermal cams on Gepards adapted, proving tech evolves faster than seasons. Numbers game, Russia's 2025, tally minus 5,600 plus drones fired. Per Air Force, Ukraine down 4,200 efficiency. Drones force $1 billion Russian rebuilds yearly. Future tech tease, Ukraine's AQ-400, Scythe drones incoming, $100,000 swarms to hit back. Russia's response? More Iranian imports. The sky's the limit, or graveyard. Wrap, tech saved lives, but at what cost? Billions burned, skies scarred. Transition graphic, from fire to fallout. Now, the human toll. December 6th morning, blackouts grip 40% of Ukraine. Factories idle, hospitals on backups. In Pokrovsk, 156K Russian troops mass, this barrage softens for ground push. Revenge strikes, Ukraine's attack was hit. Ryazan Depot, 9th refinery blazed this year, $100 million torched. Tit for tat escalates. Putin's red lines blur. Human cost 83. Russian dead per square km gained in 2025. Ukraine, resilient but weary. Zelensky, lights out won't dim our fight. Aid pledges pour $61 billion U.S. package. Global ripple, EU sanctions Iranian drone parts. China quietly supplies Russia. UN warns, 10M Ukrainians face winter crisis. Is this Putin's bluff to force talks? Strategic shift, aerial war favors attrition. Ukraine's F-16s arrive Jan 26 game changer. Or Russia's 1,000 drone volleys. Skies decide Donbass fate. Implication, no quick win. This barrage? Desperation masked as dominance. Ukraine endures, but world must act. Pause, viewer question overlay, on to close. 704 threats, one unbreakable will. Russia's barrage exposed cracks, Ukraine's defenses shine. What's next? Comment, F-16S or drone hell. Thanks for watching, like if inspired, share to spread truth. Subscribe for weekly war deep dives. Sources in desk, ISW, Al Jazeera. Stand with Ukraine. Final thought. In the cold of winter, light persists. Slava Ukraini. See you on the next front.